9435 Santa Fe Rose. Maybe power wash the driveway. There's no wood frame on the garage to maintain. That's nice. The front door and this gate look a little rough, so I would definitely suggest painting this frame here. Definitely replacing these this door, the handle and the deadbolt. It was very difficult to open. So there are 2.5-inch forward blinds down here, which are the type that we recommend, and they don't look particularly dirty. There's 6 windows, including that window right there. I'm going to go ahead and not count that top window. Even though the cabinets are in good condition, the windows are in good condition, the window blinds, I'm going to go ahead and count them anyway, just because it looks like it's not the cleanest house I've seen, and just in case Jenny wants them to be replaced. It's an interesting light fixture. Okay, cabinets have been stained, not painted, and the wear is starting to show a bit, so probably something should be done about that sooner rather than later. We have the security gate on the back. This is a really great backyard because it's so low maintenance. You have all of this concrete, usable space, patio overhang over half of the yard, privacy from almost every side. So as you can see, privacy here. Here we have this tree, a fruit tree, pomegranate tree, blocking the second story of the other house. We have oleander over here, providing a bit of privacy from the neighbor, which is a 1-story. So a good amount of privacy. And this pergola, whatever, actually provides privacy from the second floor of this neighbor. So junking some items, which we can go back to the seller to ask. Some weird animal door. So maybe suspect replacing this door or blocking that off somehow. Not sure. Okay, let's keep moving. It's an older fan in here, but it looks fine. Maybe it'll be fine after cleanup. So here's the laundry room connected to the garage. These cabinets look older. It may not matter. Need to replace that cap there. Okay, so I have a water heater here, a fridge which may or may not work, a sink over there in the far corner, and storage. Okay. Now we have this little coat closet. Probably remove that. I would say repaint, just to make the place look cleaner and fresher. I would repaint this as well. Flooring's okay. This laminate's okay. For now. And of course that depends on what Jenny says. This is a long room. Definitely replace these 2 blinds. And they're brown. Well, 2 of them are brown. So I'm going to go ahead and count these anyway. So we have 3 laminate flooring, not the best quality, but condition overall looks fine. Flat panel doors, door locking. So I'm going to count the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'd say repaint, give it a fresher feel. Just note there's no ceiling fans or anything in these rooms. There's a light up there, it's outdated. Oh yeah, I need to go back and count the windows upstairs. Sorry, okay. Crack in the tile. Okay. So 1 window, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows upstairs, 6 downstairs. They all may not necessarily need to be replaced, but we're going to count 11 right now. And I want to go back downstairs and look at the condition of the tile. So it's an older style. Grout is definitely black. Yeah. Definitely need Jenny's opinion.